If you've been trying to unlock the Temu free gift and nothing happens, no reward screen, no free item, no clear steps, then this video will help, because I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide that actually works without confusing methods or random guessing. Before we start, I've placed the current working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case Temu rotates the main one. Now, let's go step by step. Step 1, activate the free gift promotion. The most important step comes first. Do not open Temu and start browsing. Instead, begin by using the link in the description. This activates the free gift promotion and connects it to your account. Without this step, the event may never appear. Step 2, open Temu and log in. After activation, open the Temu app or website and log into your account. If the promotion is active, you should start seeing free gift section, reward event screen, promotional interface. If you don't see these, it means the promotion didn't activate correctly. Step 3, enter the free gift code. Once the event appears, enter the free gift code shown on screen. This links your account to the current reward cycle. After applying the code, Temu activates the event tied to that promotion. Step 4, follow the required steps. Temu will guide you through a few simple actions. These can include browsing certain categories, checking deals, interacting with the event page. These steps are part of how the reward system works. Step 5, unlock and claim your gift. After completing the required steps, your selected item becomes eligible to claim. Temu then allows you to place the order for the reward. Keep in mind that available items may change depending on the promotion. Why this method works. This method works because you're entering directly through the promotion flow instead of trying to trigger it randomly inside the app. That's why it's more reliable than just opening Temu and hoping the free gift appears. Final tip. Temu updates their promotions frequently, and some codes stop working over time. That's why I keep the latest working codes in the description and pinned comment, so you can always try the newest ones. If this guide helped you unlock a free item, comment what you got. I always like seeing the results.